Hi everyone, welcome back to the FXglory YouTube channel. I'm Connor Kenway and today we're going to dive into a topic that is all about depositing funds into your account. If you're new here or need a refresher on how deposits, withdrawals, and transfers work on FXglory, no worries. I've got a video prepared just for you where I explain these processes in detail. So make sure to check it out. Now, let's talk about why traders love using credit and debit cards for their deposits and withdrawals. It's all about convenience and wide acceptance. Plus, the added security features and fraud protection offered by card issuers give traders peace of mind. With cards, you have global accessibility, making international trading and currency conversions a breeze. And those detailed statements from card transactions, they help you track your trading activities and keep accurate records. But today, we're going to focus on something specific: card verification. Yeah, I know, more verification steps, but don't worry, FXglory prioritizes your convenience and wants to make sure you have the best experience possible. So it won't take ages to verify your card. Now, let's get down to the business. Step 1. Log into your client cabinet. Once you're on that page, head to the Finance tab and select credit card from this drop-down list. Scroll down and look for the app button. Clicking on it will bring up a pop-up window where you can add and verify your credit card. In the first field, enter the card holder's name. Then, you'll need to upload pictures of both the front and back sides of your card for verification. Here's an important note. Make sure the first 6 and last 4 digits of your card number are visible while the remaining digits are hidden. The expiration date and cardholder's name should also be visible. And remember, using graphic software or altering the card edges is not allowed. Once you've uploaded the pictures, you can submit your request. The card verification process usually takes anywhere between 1 to 24 hours, but it is often checked in less than an hour. I hope you found this video helpful, folks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Also, make sure to click on the bell icon to stay updated on our upcoming videos and tutorials. This is Connor Kenway signing off, and I'll catch you in the next video. So, bye bye.